Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. Good morning, good evening, Merry Christmas, and guys, get ready because we're going to see a huge festive season coming, guys. So it's a great time to be live. And remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. So we're going to be talking about Elon Musk set a huge trap, guys. We're going to talk what Elon Musk set a huge trap, and we're going to be talking about that, guys and gals. Also, I want to apologize. I did miss some videos yesterday, but I went for a colonoscopy and all clear, no cancer. I love it. You love it. So, guys, I just want to say God bless the community and thank you, guys. And remember, if you're over 45 or 50, do get a colonoscopy. It doesn't hurt to get checked, guys. So, I got checked. I'm okay, guys. So, I'm happy. I'm happy. It's the best Christmas gift ever, guys. So, guys, take care of your health. It's so important. So, let's jump into content without any further delay. Let's get into crypto, guys. It's a great time to be live. So, guys and gals, we're seeing that yesterday the markets did very, very well. We saw that the Dow Jones, the S&P, and the Nasdaq were all up. So, that is good, guys. Looks like also Zelensky is in the U.S., guys, and he made an address in Congress. So, that is pretty good, guys. So, hopefully, that whole conflict out there will get resolved. Looks like Sam Bankman-Fried will fly to New York after days of courtroom chaos, and there's a lot of courtroom chaos going on in the Bahamas. Even unbeknownst to SBF's lawyer out there, the Sam Bankman-Fried chicken, they didn't even know what he was up to. He just kind of like, I want to go back to the U.S. So after going to court and say he didn't want to be extradited, now he is extradited. So it's kind of weird, guys. So it looks like FTX founder will fly to New York on Wednesday, guys. So that is now he's flying, guys. So hopefully on his way to New York, they don't open the door and push him out, guys. See if that chicken can fly. So his attorney Jeremy Roberts, reading from affidavit signed December 20th, told the court that Bankman-Fried was consenting to extradition in part due to desire to make relevant customers whole. So that is kind of interesting. Also got some interesting Sam Bankman-Fried news as well as it relates to FTX out there. So that is pretty good. Let's take a look at the fear and greed index. Let's see if it's going up or going down, guys. So minty refresh time. So right now we are seeing that the fear and greed index is up from where it was yesterday. Last week we did hit a high of 31. So we're just kind of like in this narrow range of fear and greed. So remember, a lot of the whales out there, what they are absolutely doing out there is they're buying the dips. Buying the dippy dips is still accumulating like crazy, guys. Let's take a look at a heat map. Heat map, guys. We all love the black screen. I love the black screen. Come on. Let's go. So hopefully this will refresh sometime before Christmas out there, guys and gals. So it is a great time to be alive. Absolutely, I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. So whoa. So we can see right now that Bitcoin is down again, and we're seeing that Bitcoin is just totally range bound. It's so tight right now. I mean, who doesn't like something tight? But we're seeing that Bitcoin is super tight right now in terms of range. It's just kind of fluctuating between this 16.6 and just gingerly shy of $17,000. But Ethereum is not doing too bad, guys. Ethereum is not doing bad. Let's take a look at the crypto markets and let's see what's going on with them. And then we're going to be talking about Elon Musk setting a huge trap out there. What does that mean? What are you talking about, OG? We're going to be talking about that. So Bitcoin is down right now. It's still down on the 7-day, almost down 6%. We're seeing Ethereum is down as well. 7 days is down 7%, so that's not too good. We're seeing BNB. BNB is the Binance. The Beast coin is also down 7%. XRP is getting hammered, but look at Doge, guys. When I look at this and I see, look, Dogecoin is down 16.62%. That's not a good look for Doge. And we're seeing that the market cap has gone down below 10 billion out there. So that is not looking good. That's kind of nasty out there. Cardano also is down, down. But, Dogecoin is still in the top 8 spots, so that is pretty good out there. So what is going on DXY-wise? DXY is still just kind of going sideways, as is much of the crypto right now. You can see that, Bitcoin is just kind of, it's in this narrow range, guys. Look, we're hitting like lows of 16.4, and we're hitting highs of, right here, let me get that out there. So we're hitting highs of like 17. So we're just kind of like within this $500 range, guys, and it's just kind of going sideways. There's been no real breakout. I mean, the day before yesterday, okay, we did have a 2.9%, but overall, we're just in this tight band. At some point, the pressure is going to give, and how are we going to survive 2023? Because I think that the first couple of months of 2023 could be nasty. I do not think we're going to get a Santa rally. I think that is absolutely not going to happen out there. On the weekly, we're still up, guys. We still got 3 days and 23 hours left on this big one. Ethereum right now is looking better. We got a bit of a bull flag formation happening here. Here's the flagpole, and then there's a flag. So this could give us a bit of a breakout. If we measure the flagpole and get the breakout, we could see that from here to here and move that over. Bang. Let's get that. And we could see a possible breakout for Ethereum if this pattern holds. We could see a possible breakout of almost up to like 1326, guys. So from that perspective, you can see that a lot of people are shorting Doge. They did shorting Ethereum. There's a lot of shorts accumulated here. You can see the red triangle. So this was a short entry point out there. This was a long entry point. So right now the market is undecided if it's going to be a long or short entry point. So there are leverage traders who are also pushing down crypto and making a lot of pressure for us out there. So guys, I thought this was kind of interesting. This is from Kim.com, and I kind of and he was kind of addressing Elon Musk. How they said, Elon, it's unwise to run a poll like this when you are now deep state enemy number one. So that is true. He's deep state enemy number one. They have the biggest bot army on Twitter. They have over 100K analysts with 30 to 40 accounts all voting against you. Let's clean up and run this poll again. The majority has faith in you. So that was this whole poll that Elon Musk was going to step down as a CEO, remember? So I think, what the interesting thing is, I think that the reason Elon Musk did this poll was to basically set a honeypot trap. So I'm hoping that Elon did this poll as a honeypot to catch all the deep state bots. The data set for this poll will contain most of them. Some good data mining could eliminate them all in one go. So, and then Elon Musk, he did reply, interesting. So keep in mind that whole poll out there. Let's just go. Let's pull up that poll. You can see the poll here. You can see the poll. We had like 17 million votes. And, he is deep state enemy number one right now. And remember, by doing this poll, this 57%, there's going to be possibly a large majority of it could be deep state. And if that's the case, they'll definitely be able to data mine that and find the data set, and they will be able to eliminate a ton of these bots, guys. So this could be a whole, the honeypot trap, the whole trap that Elon Musk has set. So guys, what do you guys think about that? Do you think that this whole poll was basically Elon Musk setting a huge honeypot to basically catch all of the data set and to eliminate those bots, guys? So I'd love to hear what you got to say. That's kind of, I kind of like this Kim.com. I like the way he's thinking. I think that Elon Musk may have done that for this particular reason to catch out a lot of these bitty bots. I thought this is also interesting. Let me just hit up the volume. Looks like Congress is now talking about Dogecoin. I just thought this was funny. This is absolutely hilarious, guys. Listen in. Let's listen in.
Do you know how much was in tokens? So let's say I have Dogecoin, or I don't even know how you say it, but I have 10 Dogecoin, which a year ago, is it Dogecoin or Dogecoin? Dogecoin. All right, I have 10 Dogecoins. All right. A year ago, 10 Dogecoins, for sake of argument, was worth $1,000, so $100 a coin. I put that in there. But Dogecoin today is worth, like, I don't know what, say not nearly that much.
I wish it were $100.
How are you going to evaluate that?
So I thought this was kind of interesting because, we have some, Congress is discussing today about crypto, and they're using Dogecoin as an example. I mean, he did quote that Dogecoin was $100. I mean, if Dogecoin was $100, I'd be buying about 2 or 3 private jets, and I'd be flying around the world collecting the community, and we'd be having a big offsite. So, but I guess the main point here is that if they're talking about it, it means that Dogecoin is in the brain pan. It's part of the mainstream, so it is pretty good that Dogecoin is being talked about. I mean, some of these people in Congress are proponents, some people are haters, but at least Dogecoin is on the forefront. So I thought that was kind of cool. So interesting. So breaking news: Sam Bankman-Fried is now in U.S. custody. Great, I love it. And looks like Justin FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried's prison will include cable TV. Nice. Air conditioning, vegan food. So that's a big step up in the right direction compared to where he was in the Bahamas, guys. So in the Bahamas, I think he had a bucket for a toilet. Justin Tesla will be freezing hiring and warns of employee layoffs next year. So you guys know that Tesla's quarter results came in and the stock is down. Down. But Elon Musk, he's not phased. He's not fearful out there. He did say that this is a good time to be accumulating Tesla. So for me, I'm not a big stonk person. The only stonks I do have, and I'm being full transparency here, I only have Tesla stocks and Starbucks. That's it. I don't have anything else. Tesla stocks and Starbucks. That's all I hold. The reason I have Starbucks is I'm not plugging. I'm not working for Starbucks, but I like Starbucks. I mean, I love Starbucks. It's just like and Tesla. I like Tesla. Unfortunately, in Vietnam, I'd love to buy a Tesla, but in Vietnam, there's no Teslas. And in terms of the distribution and network of recharge sites, it's almost non-existent out there. So that's why I don't have an EV car. I'd love to have an EV car, but in Vietnam, the infrastructure is not there. So also, big breaking news, guys. Looks like just in, FTX New Management says that the company has located over $1 billion in assets, including $720 million in cash. So hopefully this will be good news, and some of the users and some of the customers at FTX, you may see light of day, and hopefully we actually might see some of our funds being returned. So that'll be good. I don't have any money on FTX. Justin Elon Musk says that he will manage Twitter's software and servers team as he resigns as CEO. So it looks like he is going to resign as CEO, and he will be running the software and server teams, which is the most important part of Twitter. So that is pretty cool. And Elon, if you're watching, I'll work as a CEO of Twitter. I'll do it for free, guys. I will absolutely do it for free. So, Elon, if you're watching, send me the ticket. I'm on my way to San Francisco. Also, bullish for Bitcoin. Looks like Justin Mexican Senator said nobody will stop Bitcoin, and that is pretty cool. And also the Bukalele, he's been calling out financial institutions, Western powers, and media outlets. They control unfair criticisms only 1 year after adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. So, after Bukalele did in fact have Bitcoin as legal tender, their GDP has gone up, guys. And also tourism has gone up as well. So that is pretty good. That is cool beans in the house. What else is coming in right now? You can also see the SPOR ratio reaches its lowest value in 3 years. And what this means is that long-term holders and short-term holders, they are out of where they're basically having lower profits right now. So this is not good, but long-term, how to survive the crypto winter. The best way to survive is, one, don't be emotional. Okay, guys, the worst thing you can do in a crypto winter is be emotional. Do not panic sell. That's bad news bears. Buy the dips, dollar cost average, and wait for life-changing wealth. And remember, it's so important. Never, ever invest anything more you're willing to lose. And don't forget, guys, diversification is absolutely key. Do not put all of your crypto in one basket. If you do that, you will get wrecked out there. And, with diversification, how is my portfolio balanced? I have about 50% in Bitcoin, around about 25-30% in Ethereum, and then the rest of it is in the top 10 projects, guys, top 10 projects. So, if you stay in the top 10 projects, you should be fine. Some of the projects that I'm holding right now, of course, Ethereum, I told you about that, BNB I'm holding, a little bit of XRP, a very little bit Cardano, a big bag. Cardano is one of my third biggest holdings right now. Matic, I love Matic out there. Polkadot, we're holding a little bit of Shiba Inu, not me, my wife, Solana, Avalanche a little bit, Chainlink a little bit, Cosmos a little bit, Chronos, a lot of Chronos out there, a little bit of ApeCoin, Algorand, VeChain. So those are kind of Filecoin and ICP. So that's kind of what we're holding in our portfolio, and that's what I mean by diversification. I mean, do not go down to coin pupu shmata that's a number coin 10,000, because that is coin 100. Do not do that. Absolutely do not go down to pupu shmata land and get coin 1,100 out there. It's not good, guys. So that's what's going on. What else is coming in right now, guys? One of the absolute biggest cryptocurrencies in the world on Twitter, and it's only fitting that Doge gets its own emoji. So, if you guys hashtag Bitcoin or hashtag BNB, it has its own emoji. So I would really love to see that Dogecoin gets its own emoji on Twitter. And if you want that, guys, I'm going to absolutely make a post, get on Twitter, retweet it, guys. So retweet this freaking post, guys. Let's get it right now. I love it. You love it. So, guys, what is going on right now in terms of the total market cap for Bitcoin right now? Binance is still 54.93 billion. A lot of fud about Binance. I have not sold anything off Binance. I'm not telling you to do that. You do your own research, do your own risk management. But I have not moved any crypto off of Binance, guys. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin right now. So Dogecoin right now, it did go down to our support area here, and this support area is holding, and time again, every time we go down to these levels, we often bounce to the upside, so that is good. And it looks like we're just going sideways right now. So this is a good support level. I don't see us going down any lower than that in the near future, guys and gals. What's coming in informatic wise? Dogecoin is down a little bit. We're at 74.17. Volumes are light, down about 20% at 340 million. And unfortunately, the market cap is down below 10 billion. So that's not looking good, guys. Dogecoin, yes, is in a bit of a free fall after Elon Musk did say he's going to step down. Dogecoin did do a bit of a tankety tank out there. That was that tank right there. That was about an 8% tank. So that is not good. I think we're slowly recovering. We need to get ourselves above the purple line. So that's what's going on with that, guys and gals. Let's take a look at who's in the money, who is out of the money right now. Let me get this a minty refreshy. Let's see what's going on right now. Come on, internet. My internet is like poo-poo shmata out here. Here we go. So right now, we're seeing that Dogecoin is mostly bearish, 54% in, 44% outie. Wowdy. I just bumped the camera, guys. I'm bumping the camera. I'm shaking like a madman. And guys and gals, if you've got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get a hardware wallet. The linkage is down there. And guys, be part of the freaking conversation. Join the Discord. It's also down there, and become a channel member. I would appreciate it. What is going on for the Shibi Weeby? Shibi Weeby is also just going sideways, and we're still at a bunch of zeros and 8-1 down there. And if we don't continue, if we cannot get above this line here, then we could be going down and dropping another decimal point and going down to 7 out there. So that's not looking good. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Guys and gals, so don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. I appreciate it, guys. Twitter's been kind of weird for me recently. I don't know what's going on. I seem to be losing more followers and gaining out there, guys. So please get the Twitter. I would appreciate it. And follow the yellow brick road. I would appreciate that. Show some love. And guys, don't forget to check out all the linkage down below. We got the Dogecoin tippy jar. Also the Discord link is down there as well. So guys, show some love out there. Don't forget to get the merch, guys. It's Christmas time. If you want to get the OG merch, you got to hurry up, guys, because Christmas is just around the corner. So that's all I got, guys. Be blessed. Take your health seriously. Do regular checkups, guys. I appreciate it. It's pretty scary when you think you got something, and lucky I came out all clean, guys. So everything is looking pretty good, guys. So God bless you. Have a Merry Christmas. I will absolutely see you all in the next one. Thank you for being part of the community. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the love. Peace out.